Creating a lookalike audience Facebook remarketing campaign. Hey there everyone! A few lessons ago we showed you how to create a lookalike audience from scratch. And it's only fair that we also show you how to create a remarketing campaign to target lookalike audiences. And that's what we'll do in this lesson. Start on the campaign creation page. You can target lookalike audiences with any type of marketing objective. For this example, we are going to select reach as our marketing objective. This will allow us to show our ad to the maximum number of people that are similar to our Facebook page audience. Now move to the ad set section. Enter a name for the ad set. Then select the page that you are going to promote. Now click on the Custom Audiences field, and then on the Lookalike Audience tab to select your lookalike audience. In this example, we are going to select the custom audience that we created using our Facebook page as a data source. Because we selected a lookalike audience that is based on our own Facebook page audience, we have to click on the Connection menu and select Exclude People Who Like Your Page to avoid retargeting our existing Facebook page fans. Leave Automatic Placement selected and move over to the Budget and Schedule section to set up your campaign's budget and schedule. Then click on Continue to start creating your ad. First, enter the name for your new ad. Next, select the ad format and media. Then enter your ad copy into the primary text field. Check the Add a Website URL box and enter your landing page URL into the website URL field. Now review your ad setup. Preview the ad creative in the Ad Preview window and then click on Confirm to launch the campaign. As you can see, this is actually the easiest way to create remarketing campaigns to retarget lookalike audiences.